Yes, hello, good evening, Anne.
Hello, teacher.
All right, Anne, can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes.
All right, I see. Okay, so are you ready for the class tonight?
Yes.
Okay, so our previous class is task number 11. So we are able to identify how to use a, an, and some. All right, so for our lesson tonight, so we will be in task number 12. Okay, so wait for a while.
Have you got a pencil and an eraser?
Okay, wait for a while, Anne.
Oh,
Okay.
pencil,
All right, so let's have here. All right, so can you see now the screen?
an eraser.
Okay. All right, so wait for a while because it's all black. Okay, I have here. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, as a sort of review, a pencil and an eraser. Okay, what else?
The pencil.
Okay, a pencil and an eraser and the pencil. Okay, what else, Anne?
Some color pencil.
Okay, that's right. Okay, there's another one. A colored pen and some colored pencil. So those are the words, or those are the way how a, an, and some are used in the sentence. All right. Now this time, Anne, will be moving to task number 12. So here in task number 12, you are going to put a, an, or some in front of the nouns. All right. Now, do you know how to write or how to annotate in the screen?
Uh,
Do,
dress. An address.
All right, so I will type your answer. Now, please tell me. Okay, let's have here the first one. Okay, what is your answer for number one?
An address.
Okay, now how about number two?
Uh, I think
Okay, how about number three?
an
Okay, number four.
uh uh uh
Okay, number five.
an
Number six.
an
Number seven. Okay. Number seven.
uh some
Number eight.
an
Okay, let's have number nine.
uh
Okay, am I right?
yes.
Okay, now how about number 10?
Uh
Number 11
uh
and number 12.
an
All right. Now this time, let's check your answers if these are all correct. Okay. So let's have here the first one, an address, some pens, an old car, some dogs, an eye, some blue pencils, some rollerblades, some teachers, a cat, some photos, a watch, a skateboard. All right. Now let's check your answers. So let's have here number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9, and number 11. Okay, so for this activity, you've only got 6 over. Okay, it's over 12. All right, now let's discuss why is it that these are the following answers. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, so we are going to use the word "an" if the first letter of the word is a vowel or sounds like a vowel. Okay, so for example, letter O is a vowel. That's why it's "an." Let's have here letter E is a vowel. So that is why it's "an." Okay, and for some, okay, how to use some in the sentence? So for all the words that is plural or has S, or shall we say plural, we are going to use the word some. Let's have here the dogs. It's plural with S. So you're going to use the word some. For the blue pencils, it has S. So it's plural. So that is why we use the word some. Number 7. Okay. So let's have here. There is an S. It means plural. So it is some. Okay, the same as teachers. There is S. So it means plural. So you're going to use the word some. And the last one, we have photos. So many pictures. So it has S. So it will be some. All right. Now for the A, you're going to use the word A if the first word of the letter is a consonant. Okay, so a cat. Okay, the first word of the word watch is a consonant. So it's a watch. Next word is a skateboard. So the first letter of the skateboard is a consonant. All right. Now, Anne, do you understand? Okay. Do you
Yeah.
understand? All right. Now, this time, uh, do you have any questions about this activity? All right. Do you have any questions?
Um, I don't know this N and O because the N have a O and E.
All right. Okay. So let's have here. Do you know the vowels? Vowels. Okay. Do you know the vowels?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the words that is, oh no, what are the letters that is a vowel? Okay, what are the letters? So in the alphabet, there are 5 vowels. Now, what are those? Okay, what are the vowels?
Uh, uh, O E, Y.
All right. So the vowels are A, E, O, U. Okay, so those are the vowels. So any noun that starts with vowels, there should be, or we are going to use an. Okay,
Yes.
an. So any words that start with, any nouns that start with consonant. Okay, consonant, we are going to use the word ah. So consonant are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so those are the consonants. So for the consonant, we are going to use ah. Okay? Okay, so let's have here. Okay, words that start with vowels, oh no, noun. Noun that start with vowels will take on, but nouns that start with consonant will take ah.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And for the sum, words that is plural, it has S, plural. Okay, now do you understand an?
Yes.
Okay, now since you understand this activity, we will be moving to the next activity. So it's task number 13. Complete the sentences with a, an, some, or the. Okay? Alright, now this time, please tell me your answers. I will write it for you. Okay, let's have here number one. What are the answers?
Number one. Oh.
Okay, well, wait for a while.
A red pen.
Okay, so, okay, what is your answer? Can you tell me? I will write it.
I've got a red pen and a green pen. A red pen is on my desk. A green pen is in my pencil case.
All right, so in short, the answer for number one is all letter A. All right,
Yes.
now let's find out here. So number one, I've got a red pen and a green pen. So the red pen is on my desk. The green pen is in my pencil case. Now, do you wonder why is it that it starts with, no, it answers with the. Okay? So it is because in the noun is being, okay, let's have here. So it's the start of the sentence. Okay, here's the period, and it is the signal for a new sentence. So that is why the noun red pen will be taken the word the. Okay?
Yes.
All right, now let's try number two. So what is your answer for number two?
Number two. We got an exam next week. The first exam is math. The second is history, and the third is science.
All right, now let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, let's have here. We've got some exams next week. The first exam is maths. The second is history. And the third is science. All right, so let's have here. Okay, so we've got some. Okay, so since the word is okay,
because exam has e.
right, but it's plural. There is an S. So that is
Yes.
why if the noun is either consonant or vowel and it has an S, so we're going to use some. But if there is, okay, take note, if there is no S, so just the word exam, so that's the time we're going to use the word an. Okay, so take a note for this. Okay, let's have here an exam and some exams. Okay, now can you see the difference?
Yes.
Right. Okay, now let's try number 3. Okay, let's try number 3. What is your answer for number 3?
My mom got an orange an Fiat, and my dad got a blue. The Fiat is new.
Okay,
The
and the last one, what
what?
is your answer?
The
Okay, am I right? An, a, the, and the?
yes.
Okay, so let's see it here. Now for number 3, my mom's got an orange Fiat and my dad's got a blue Renault. The Fiat is new, but the Renault is very old. All right, very good. That is correct. Okay, now let's have here number 4. Okay, please answer number 4.
I got some CD.
Okay, next.
I think own some.
Okay, one more time. I've got.
I think own some.
Okay, it's some. Okay, what's next?
Some
And what's next?
and some
Okay, can you say it one more time?
and some.
Some. Okay, all right. So wait for a while. All right, so let's have here. Now let's check number 4 if that is correct. So for number 4, I've got some CDs and some DVDs, but I can't play the DVDs because my DVD player is broken. All right, so now why is it that it is used? The. Because if we're going to use it 3 times, that is redundancy. So redundancy means you are not going to repeat the word 3 times and more in one sentence. Okay, do you understand?
No.
Okay, so see for example here. Let's have here. Okay, this is 1. This is 2.
We got a cake.
All right. Okay, so wait for a while. Let's have here number 4 first. Okay, so here is some and some. So number 4 is only one sentence. So that is why you should not use it in the third time. So that is why we use the. All right, now how about number 5? What is your answer?
We got a cat,
Okay, next.
a dog,
Okay,
and a
next.
mice.
Okay, and the last one. Next.
The cat name's Sooty, and
Okay,
the dog name is Pretty.
okay, let's have the.
I don't listen.
Oh, sorry. All right, so number 5 is we've got a cat, a dog, and some mice. The cat's name is Sooty, and the dog's name is Freddy. Okay, so the word mice is plural. Okay, here, mice. We use some because the word mice is plural. Now, do you know what is the singular form of the word mice?
No,
Okay, so mice is plural and the singular is mouse. Okay, so in singular, mouse. In plural, mice. So that is why we use the word some. Okay, now do you understand, Anne?
yes,
All right, so you have some correct answers this time. Okay, don't forget its usage. Now, do you have any questions about this?
no,
All right, so since you didn't have no questions, let's move on to our next activity. All right, so no, our next activity, no, we're going to learn how to use the word this, that, this, and those. So we use this because for singular and this plural for things that are close to us. So see for example, okay, here. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, here. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so this is a teddy bear. So this is a teddy bear. So it is because it's singular. It's only one. But if I have two teddy bears, I'm going to say these are teddy bears. Okay, so this one. This will be used two things plus or three things plus and one, and this is just only for one thing.
uh,
Okay.
this is only one and two, and this is have many.
Okay, so for this only one.
Yes,
Okay, so this is a teddy bear. These are teddy bears. All right. Okay, now how about, okay, next is we use that. So that for singular and those for plural for things that are further away. So it's not, so the first one is near. So now this time it's far. So far from you. Okay, so see for example, this teddy bear is very far. So for example, it's here. Okay, so it's here. So say for example, this teddy bear is here. I'm not holding it. So you're going to point. So say for example, that is a teddy bear. So it's far
uh,
and it's
this is
singular.
a near, and that is far.
Okay, so you're going to use the word that to far objects. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, do you have any questions about this?
No,
All right, so since you don't have questions, let's move on to our activities. Okay, so find an example of this, that, this or those in the dialogue. All right, now can you tell me what are the examples of this, that, this, or those? Okay, can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, what are those? Okay.
Is that your pencil case?
Okay, so is that your pencil case? That's right. Okay, is there anything else?
That's Gemma. That is Gemma.
Okay, so is that all?
No.
Okay, so what else? Is there anything else that uses this, that, this, or those?
No.
All right, now let's see. Okay, so let's have here. Yes, you are correct. Is that your pencil case? Okay, so that is only the one that uses the example. So, is that your pencil case? So it means it's very far. All right, now this time let's go to our next activity. So, work with your teacher. Take turns to ask and answer the questions about the pictures. Okay, so let's have here. At first, I'm going to ask you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have here. Are this your colored pencils?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes. Um. This is.
Okay, so it's colored pencils. So it means many. So you're going to say, yes, they are.
Yes.
Okay, so how about you? It's your turn to ask me a question. So,
Uh.
okay,
Are
Amy
they
from the picture.
are they your phone?
Okay, so you're not going to use are because are is used for plural. So many. Okay, so are is only used for plural or many. Now in the picture, there
Is
are many
they
color pencils. So what should be
is
used
they
when it's
your
only
phone?
one? All right, so is this your phone?
Is this your phone?
All right, now let's have here another one. Uh, so I'm going to say, yes, that is mine. Okay? All right, now I'm going to ask you, is that your calculator?
Yes. Is yes.
Yes.
That is.
Okay, you're going to say, yes, it is.
Okay.
All right, now, okay, it's your turn to ask me the question.
Uh. Is this your party?
All right, so have you seen the hands in the picture? Okay, have you seen the hands in the picture? So, in the picture, if the object is in the hands, it means near. So you're going to use this and this. You're going to use this if only one. And if many, you're going to use this. But if in the picture, the hand is pointing to, you are going to use that or those. So that if only one, and those if there are so many. Okay? Okay, so can you please ask me about picture number 4?
Know your parting.
All right, so that's right. Are those your part things? Okay, yes, those are mine. Okay, now I will ask you the question. Is that your guitar?
Uh, yes, this is.
Okay, so it's far. It's far from you. You are pointing on it. So you're going to say, yes, that is mine.
Yes.
Okay, so please ask me the question.
No. Is this your laptop?
Okay, not is this, but is that because it's far from your hand. So,
Yes.
okay, so if
Is
it is
that your
far,
laptop?
yes, that's right. So if it's far, you're going to say that. Okay, yes, that is mine. Okay, now I will ask you a question. Are this your pants?
Yes, ZE.
Okay, yes, they are. Because it's so many. There are so many pens, right? Okay, so you're going to use are. So, yes, they are. Okay. All right. Now
Is
how?
that
Okay, go.
no? Though your book?
Okay, that's good. So, are those your books? Yes, those are mine. Okay, very good. That's better. Okay, now let's do it one more time, Anne. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's go back to the first picture. So you're going to ask me first. Okay, please start. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go back to number 1 again. Okay, so can you ask me about picture number 1?
Uh, though your may your color pencil?
Okay, that's right. Are this your colored pencils? Yes, they are. Okay, I will ask you, is this your smartphone?
Yes. This E.
Okay, so you're going to say, yes, this is mine. Okay, how about the third one? Okay, you will be the one who asks me the question.
Uh, is it your calculator?
Yes, that's mine. Okay, next. Is that your boots?
Yes, that E.
Okay, that's mine. Okay, you're going to say, this is mine. That is
Yes.
mine. Those are mine. Okay? All right. Now how about the fifth one? Okay, so you're going to ask me.
Is that your guitar?
Okay, very good. Yes, that is mine. Okay, how about this one? Is that your laptop?
Yes, that mine.
Okay, that is mine.
Yes.
Okay, you can have that is mine
Um,
or that's mine. Okay, so please ask me the question.
are they your color pens?
Okay, so are this your colored pens? Yes, these are mine. Okay, let's have the last one. Are those notebooks, are those your notebooks?
Uh, yes, that my
Okay, those. Okay, yes, those. Those are
my
my notebook. Okay, so you're going to say, yes, those are mine.
yes, no my.
All right. Now, Anne, do you have any question about task number 15?
Uh, I don't know. Are those?
All right. So you are going to use the word are they when it is so many or plural. Okay, so let's have here this. Okay, so let's have here, let's see the difference between, okay, this one. So this will be used if the thing is near and it is near and it is singular. So it means only one. All right.
Yes,
Okay, so we're going to use the word okay, wait for a while. This. This, if it is near and it is plural, so it means many. Okay, next, we're going to use the word that like this.
is near
Okay,
a far singular.
yes, that's right. So it is for singular. Now, how about those?
Those is far plural.
Okay, that's right. For plural. Okay, now do you understand now, Anne?
No.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. Now, do you have any questions so far?
No.
All right, so that means that you now understand. Okay, thank you, Anne. Now, this time, we will be moving to our next activity. Ah, all right. So we